A lot of people try to solve the automation of their production ops toil on their own. Most of the time, those solutions fail. And the problem that they run into is while they have a deep understanding on how to fix the issue on the box, it's what they don't understand are all the distributed systems concerns around the individual box and as they look at it across the fleet. So examples of this might be, what do I do when part of my network is down and so I don't even have a visibility into what's going on? What happens when the automation could run amok and and just create a much bigger problem, because I'm doing the same thing across the entire fleet without any sort of coordination across these things. How do I scale the solution if it's a central solution as my fleet grows? How do I get my data for, ever changing resources if you're running containers, ever changing metrics, all stored in different silos, all slightly out of date with each other, and inconsistent. So, those are the things that people have problems with. And that's kind of what we set out to solve. The customer has the responsibility for figuring out how to make the change on the individual box. We do all of the orchestration around it. It's real time throughout, real time metrics, real time resource discovery, real time, obviously, outcomes of Linux commands. It's fault tolerant throughout. We believe in operations at the edge so that you can continue to protect and repair your local resource, even if the central system is down. We Operating at the edge also lets you scale as your fleet grows because you're using a limited amount of resources on every node. And we also provide circuit breakers so that you can say that run no more than X operations in Y period of time, fleet wide. And so, those are the sorts of considerations that we think about, day in, day out, that are kind of difficult for most companies to apply their energy to. You know, they their expertise is in fixing individual issues, not in all of the distributed concerns. But obviously, operating a fleet is a distributed systems problem.